Hi friends, I'm going to show you how to make this easy wraparound pants, and I'm going to show how you measure your body to get the right cutting, and let you know about the fabric amount you should use. Less is good, but more is better depending on the fabric. So let's go ahead and take this apart so you can see what I mean. The only thing I have to do with these wraparound pants is choose the closure. And actually this right there is the strap that's going to go around the back and tie in the front. That's 80 inches because I wanted at least a 15-inch drop once I tied it. And then the other panel is going to have a snap rather than another strap. So if you stick around, I'll show you what I mean. So these are really nice wide pants, and right now I have them attached to this little pair of shorts that has an elastic band. So when I was trying it on to make sure I had a right fit, I'd rather use pins. I would just attach the clips in the fabric to the elastic on the shorts and do my measurements. But this is what it looks like disassembled. As you can see, I'm removing the back panel where it has the snap attached, and I'll show you that in a minute. And this is what it looks like in the front. And then when you come around to the back, you'll see it's very wide opening. You bring this around, and this is the part where I'm talking. I'm going to add a snap to this part here. But so what happens is when you remove this wrap for the back panel, and then you have the front of the pants. But when you're trying on the pants, if you put it on put a pair of elastic shorts, it makes measuring a lot simpler, as I have here. So I just wanted to share as far as where it goes, the closure. There's many ways of doing it. In my next video, I'm going to do an actual tutorial and show you step by step if you're wanting to learn how. So come back and learn how to make it. This is the inside, the outside, narrow hem, using that special narrow hem presser foot. Thanks for watching. See you on the other video I make that shows you how to make your own. Have a great day. Bye for now.